Horses out, we have Tiger Moon, best to begin, Big Apo, Perfect Material, Torres Besis, Racing in Porto, Lucky Lorkin, Pip, Speed Spell, Lancer Bryant, into the turn they go, we have Tiger Moon, Big Apo is down on the inside. Then 5 lengths away in third, Torres Best, Perfect Material, Lucky Lorky, Sir Bryant, and his Speed Spell is racing in Lance. They swing into the back. We've got Tiger Moon by our head. Down on the inside is Big Apo. Totis Best remains in third by a gap of 4 lengths. Perfect Material, Lucky Lorky, Sir Brian, and Speed Spell. We've got Tiger Moon by about 3 lengths. Big Apo, then here comes Totis Best. Now moving up to take second. Perfect Material in fourth. Lucky Lorky, Tiger Moon by only a length and a half. Then here comes Totis Best. Now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Totis Best over Tiger Moon. Perfect Material now in third. Last 100 meters, we have Totis Best by about 4 lengths now. Perfect Material to take second, and finally Totis Best. Perfect Material, Tiger Moon, Speed Spell. Then comes Lucky Lorky, Sir Bryant, and Big Apo.